Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 113. In the diagram alongside point T is a point in the Cartesian plane so that OT is 17 units and P lies on OT. K is a point on the positive x-axis and angle TOK is theta. Determine with the aid of the diagram the following: cos 180 degrees minus theta. So where do we find this angle? We find it in the second quadrant. So theta, and then 180 degrees minus theta is in the second quadrant. 180 degrees plus theta is in the third quadrant. 360 degrees minus theta is in the fourth quadrant. So we're talking about the second quadrant here. And remember our cast diagram. In the second quadrant, it is only sine theta which is positive. Otherwise, cos theta is what? Is negative. So you can say this is equal to negative cos theta. And remember, cos theta is equal to x over r. Sine theta is equal to y over r. And then tan theta is equal to y over x. And remember, you can even draw your triangle, right angle triangle like this. And then just know this is your y, this is your x, this is your r. So x is adjacent, y is opposite, r is the hypotenuse. So cos theta is negative, cos theta is going to be negative. Our x is negative 8. We got this in question 111. So it's negative 8 over r. R is 17, given the OT is 17. So this is 17. And then negative times negative is positive. So this is 8 over 17. So therefore, cos 180 degrees minus theta is equal to 8 over 17.